Hi everyone, it's Cassandra Ochoa, your media specialist with a new application for you to use today. Today we're going to be focusing on Book Creator. Book Creator is one of my favorite websites to create virtual ebooks. Book Creator is where you can create, read, and publish any type of book that you'd like, educators and students. Today we're going to focus on how to create a book. So once you go through the process of signing in, so of course you can create a free account. Once you already create your free account, you follow the steps and you sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my Book Creator. So if you look closely, it says sign in as a student and sign in as a teacher. Go ahead and log in my Google. Choose which account I'd like to go through, and you're in. Simple as that. Each book account, free account, has 40 books. You're able to go in and delete any book that you'd like to create a free space for another book. So let's get started on creating our first book. I'm going to go on the top part and click on the plus sign that says New Book. And then I'll choose a blank book. On the top is a blank canvases, and at the bottom is more for comic books. So you can see portrait, square, or landscape. The same at the top. If you click on the right, they have different templates already pre-created for you. So you can go in and just delete whatever you don't like. Let's go ahead and let's do a blank book. So I'm going to do a 1x1 square. You click on the book, and here's my blank page. At the top corner, this plus sign is going to be where you find all of your items to add. So here we have media. You can import a picture. You can take a picture with your camera on your computer or your phone. You can draw with a pen, add text. You can even record yourself. Next to it is shapes. This is where you can add any shape you'd like. You can search for it. You can add a speech bubble, a thought bubble. And then we're going to go to the italic I, the inspector. The inspector is the details of your book. So let's go ahead and move myself to this corner. So I'm going to add a background page for my title page. We're going to focus on doing the title page just because of the time we have. So I'm going to do an all about me book. Let's say it's the first day of school and I want to learn about my students. I want them to create an all about me book. I like this one. Let's try this one. Ooh, you can also do comic. Go back. Paper outlines. Borders. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and pick a border. Pencils. Ideas. This looks cute for a welcome page. You can also have patterns and textures. Let's see if we can add both. Okay, so we can only do one. So let's go over this border. Okay, now I want to add a text. My title of my page is going to be Welcome Back to School, all about Mrs. Ochoa. So I'm going to go back to the I. Let's see, I'm going to double check my page. Okay, I don't want to add anything, so I'll go to the plus sign. I'm going to add a text box. Alright, here's my text box. I'm going to write welcome! Exclamation point. All about Mrs. Ochoa. Done. And up here I can make it bold, italicize it. I can even add a link. Done. I'm going to center this. Oh no. There we go. Alright, now when I go back to the I, it sends me to a new page where I can edit my text. I want it in the center. I want to make it a little bigger. Let's go ahead and make it wide. Perfect. Oh look, it even gives you a line to show you where the center is. I want it to say Mrs. Ochoa all across. Perfect. Go back to the center. There we go. Done. I'm going to click on the eye again. And I want it bolded. No, let's keep it regular. Now I can change my font. Ooh, pretty. A color, a text color. I think I'm going to keep it black. Background. No, let's keep it clear. White. You can add a shadow. Different columns. I like the shadow. And you can, if you add an image to the back or more font, different types of fonts, you can move it to the front, to the back, or you could lock it so it won't move. So let's go ahead and lock it. Prevent others from unlocking the item in this book and any copy. So we can do that, so if anyone else comes to look at our book on our website, they are not able to move it. Let's click on page. Let's see if we can add a different color. So it seems like you can only do either or, either a solid color or a border or any type of these other categories. You can't do both. Alright. Now I want to go to the I'm going to get out of my text because I want to add an image. I'm going to import an image. And when you import an image, you can search for an image. You can even go to Google Maps, one of your files, on your Google Drive. You can embed a photo. So let's look for, since I'm a librarian, let's look for library books. And let's see, let's add some books at the bottom of our page. You click on the book, there's a blue check mark, you can click add. Give it a minute to upload. Alright, great. So now we want to edit this photo. Let's move it around. We can move it, if you right click, you can move it to the back and add Mrs. Ochoa on the top. Ooh, it's locked, so we can't move it. So let's see if we can go back to unlock it. We'll go back to unlock. And this background color, I want none. Perfect. Let's go back to this image. I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Let's see, put Mrs. Ochoa here. So the image can only go as big as the download. So it will cover the border. So let's put it here in the center. You know what? I think I'm going to remove this border. Let's go ahead and make it yellow. There it goes. So it looks all the same. Perfect. Welcome. All about Mrs. Ochoa. So this is my first page. So if you want to go to the next page, you'll click the arrow and you'll have another blank canvas. As you can see at the top, there's page 2 out of 3. When you get to the third page, if you want to add another page, you click on the plus sign. Once you're finished with your book, you can press play and it will read you your book. You can click read to me or just read it normally with your own tone. All about Mrs. Ochoa. And then you can do the same thing, create your pages. The end. Well, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed creating books on Book Creator. Have a good day. Bye.